Hey YouTube, today I'm coming to you with a very special review. It's my first review that I have done in such a long time. I have been so busy away at college, but I made this channel because I wanted to do reviews and tutorials, and I'm going to make my best effort to continue on this. I actually did a quick weave with a leave out last night, and this is the result. And the hair is Enchantress 4 More Hair. It's Ocean Wave, and it comes in 4 pieces. Here it is. It comes in 4 pieces, and it's 2 14 inches and 2 16 inches. As you can see, it's pretty long. It's alright. I did it last night. This is actually, it's not human hair. It's a human hair blend. So it's a blend of human and synthetic hair. I'm not sure if it flat irons, but I'm assuming that it doesn't, because other blends that I have, once you flat iron it, it turns thick straight and it doesn't curl back up. But I'm not expecting it to last very, very long. It's just something new. Actually, I never came back and did a review on the Malaysian hair that I had. And I ended up going to school. It's my first year in college. I go to Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University. I represent. And after a week, it was just so hot in Tallahassee that I took the hair out and I cut my hair. I shaved the sides, and I had a long and top, and, I was working it, pose, and it was just hot, so I just cut my hair. So now I'm in the process of letting it grow back out, so I've been doing a couple of quick weaves, and so I'm coming to you with this review. I mean, it's a blend, and I don't like blends very much, but there's no reason for me to invest in expensive hair because I'm not going to do a sew-in. I'm doing a quick weave, and they don't last that long because it's glue. So, I mean, the hair, it looks nice. I like the curls. I just don't like the way it feels. It already tangles. It already tangles very bad. I'm trying to finger comb it, and it already tangles. So if you're going to keep this hair for, max 2 weeks or so, I would recommend it. But if you want to do a sew-in with it, this is not sew-in hair. You have to know the difference between sew-in hair and glue-in hair. But yeah, see, it's already tangled, and this is my first day having it. Let me show you. So for this hair, I comb it. Actually, I brush it from the bottom, but my friend has my brush, so I can't really show you. So I'm just going to comb it. And it's already hard. Always comb from the bottom so that the hair doesn't, kind of rebel against you. And even with your own hair, you should always comb it from the bottom. Get all the bottom tangles out first. But yeah, I left my hair out, kind of like a U-part shape, a side part. So right here, this is all my hair. But yeah, so even when I brush it out or comb it out, it's still kind of tangly. I would give this hair about a 2-star out of 5 just because it looks nice. Other than that, I don't really like it, and it also sheds a lot. Actually, let me roll this up in the ball. It sheds a heck of a lot. There's this hair is like all over. But yeah, so I brushed out this side. It gets pretty big. If you like big hair, you should definitely get it. I'm a big hair type of person, but this hair is just entirely too big, so I'm going to most likely wear it back, or like I had it in a half up, half down sort of style with my clip. And the line is Enchantress, and it's called 4 More Hair. This style is the Ocean Wave style. It's 4 packs, 2 16 inches and 2 14 inches. And honestly, I don't think it's enough hair because this is obviously big hair. You're going to want it to look full. And I kind of ran out, so I have to start taking it out from the bottom and put it at the top. So you might want to space it out. It'll still look big. As you guys saw, it looks big, but I don't think it's enough hair. But yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and message me if you want, and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you. Bye, YouTube.